Hey everyone, today we're tackling a big question. Should you rent out or sell your family home? It's a decision many face, and it's not just about numbers, it's about what fits your life best. By the way, I'm Julie Mayers with Keller Realty, your go-to real estate agent right here in Central Oregon. If you're thinking of selling, buying, or investing, let's connect. Give me a call. I'm happy to have a conversation. You'll find my details below. Right now, let's break it down. Renting out your home, pros. Number 1, steady income stream. Renting out can provide a monthly income, which is great if you're looking to supplement your earnings or cover the mortgage. Number 2, property value growth. You get to hold on to your property as it potentially increases in value over time. Number 3, flexibility. Renting gives you the option to return to your home or sell it later, depending on how your needs or the market changes. Cons. Number 1, landlord responsibilities. From repairs to dealing with tenants, being a landlord can be time-consuming and stressful. Number 2, market fluctuations. Rental income isn't guaranteed, market demand and rental rates can change. Number 3, maintenance costs. Keeping the property in good shape is on you, and unexpected repairs can pop up. Selling your home, pros. Number 1, lump sum of money. Selling provides a significant cash influx, which can be useful for purchasing your next home, investing, or funding other goals. Number 2, no landlord worries. Once sold, you're free from the responsibilities and uncertainties of being a landlord. Number 3, moving on. Selling can offer closure, allowing you to fully embrace your next life chapter without the ties of previous property ownership. Cons. Number 1, one-time profit. Once you sell, any future appreciation in the home's value is missed. Number 2, capital gains tax. Depending on how long you've owned the home and the profit from the sale, you might face capital gains tax. Number 3, emotional impact. Selling a family home can be emotionally challenging, especially if you have many memories attached to it. So, what's best for you? Consider your financial situation, future plans, and whether you're up for the landlord role. Think about the market conditions and consult with professionals to get a clearer picture. Thanks for tuning in. Whether you choose to rent out or sell, make sure it aligns with your life goals and financial plans. See you next time. I'm Julie Mayers with Keller Realty.